Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. At the bottom of the phone, you'll find the tray right over here. So grabbing your tool, pop it out by pushing the little thing in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. And on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards, so one on each side. Grab your card, clip it into place. There is a retention bracket, so you just make sure that it is completely in. It should be laying flush on the tray and shouldn't be falling out of it if you flip it upside down. And then insert it back into your device. Card should start working immediately. As you can see, enter a SIM card pin, so I'm going to quickly do that. So the SIM card is unlocked, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.